So the bait we're using today is a finisher. Finisher has just been a staple in my rod lineup over the last 2-3 years on the walleye side of things. We've always had a number 9 all the way down 7 to a 5 being the smallest, and this year we've got 2 additions to that size, and we have the big number 10, which is honestly probably my favorite size right now. I use it majority of this year, but today we're using the other end of the spectrum, this baby number 4. And it was pretty eye-opening earlier this year using this on bluegills in Iowa on how much the bluegills just love this thing and they could get it in their mouth. At the end of the day, it has very small treble hooks, which allow it to get into a panfish's mouth very easily. But at the end of the day, it allows you to hook up very well. Panfish, perch like today, you can get a lot of fish to the boat very easily and just basically flipping them in without losing a lot. And so this bait, being downsized, is very light. It's a bait that casts great, it's very accurate, it gets down to the fish, and you can make repetitious quick casts, obviously without dealing with live bait. So this little number 4 finisher has been a very cool bait to add to the finisher lineup.